In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link in Microsoft Teams. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate a meeting link that you can share with anyone, even if they're not very familiar with Teams. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams web experience. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to use for your meeting. It could be a work, school, or personal account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main Teams interface with several options along the left or top, depending on your layout. What we want to focus on is the meeting area. Look for the option labeled Meet. This is typically where Microsoft Teams gathers everything related to calls and meetings. Go ahead and click on Meet. When you select this, Teams will show you options related to starting or scheduling a meeting. Instead of jumping straight into a meeting, we're going to create a reusable link. This is helpful if you want to send an invitation through email, chat, or even add it to a calendar outside of Teams. On the meeting screen, you should see an option that says Create a Meeting Link. Click on that. When you choose Create a Meeting Link, Teams will generate a unique URL for you. In many cases, a small window or panel will appear asking for a meeting name or title. It's a good idea to give your meeting a clear and descriptive name, like Weekly Project Check-In or Client Demo Call. This helps you keep things organized, especially if you end up creating several different links. After confirming the meeting name, Teams will finish generating your link. You'll usually see a button that allows you to copy the link directly to your clipboard. Click Copy so you can paste it wherever you need. From here, you can drop that link into an email, a chat message, a calendar event, or even a document. Anyone with the link will be able to join the meeting according to the permissions set by your organization or account. That's all there is to it. By clicking on Meet and then create a meeting link, you now have a fast, simple way to set up online meetings in Microsoft Teams without going through a full scheduling process.